This VEVOR 8-gallon wet and dry shop vacuum delivers strong peak horsepower suction that easily handles everything from fine dust to heavier garage debris without bogging down. The metal tank and compact cylindrical design feel sturdy enough for job site abuse, yet are still manageable to move around a workshop or home garage. Its one-button filter cleaning feature is surprisingly effective at restoring airflow mid-job, so you spend less time opening the unit and knocking dust out of filters. The dual filter system, with separate elements for everyday messes and wetter cleanup, gives it flexibility for basement puddles, car interiors, and general household use. A generous tank capacity, combined with a long hose and power cord, lets you cover larger areas and tackle bigger messes without constant stopping to empty or replug. Included nozzles for wet pickup, upholstery, and narrow crevices make it practical for detailing vehicles and reaching tight corners that a standard floor tool would miss.